Oh, yeah.
This one is
Yeah, it starts out to Queen Street, and it stops at. Yeah.
Next stop, Sullivan Street.
Go to this one.
I just saw something. You know that sound of the TTC streetcar? Like,
Yeah.
that's their whistle?
Yeah, they probably honk the horn at someone.
Yeah, but these ones, they're saying they're really, really loud though.
Yeah.
They actually have it's like a real bus horn, these ones. Yeah, it used to be that streetcars used to only have bells though, but the horns came in, wasn't it like when this line opened in '97? And I have tried out. If you try my video, you'll hear that. It's kind of like a bus horn.
Next stop, 8th Street West.
Being out the next stop, so it's been a great pleasure, and of course. So I'm just imagining. So most streetcars, but not all streetcars carry whistles and horns, but they all have bells. But all the newer streetcars will have horns for sure.
Yeah.
So you understand? No, I don't want to hear it. So the new TTC streetcar horns are like a big truck horn if you've heard it once, and the gong is now eval. Yeah, some people have are saying it is very, very loud. How about you? You try. There's a switch on the board. You see it says gong horn switch. Those are the ones we have. And this has been my first ride. I'm out here. It's been after a ride on this vehicle for the first time in this new vehicle. I like the new vehicle. We use the cab. Yeah, you get the cab. Yeah, you get the cab though.
Okay, well.
Just getting off. Yeah, I was just taking a vehicle. This is my first ride being on the new vehicle. Sorry about that. Here's the ride. Stop.
510, Spadina.